In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a flow to update multiple records in Salesforce. First, log into your Salesforce org. From the home page, open the Setup menu and head into the main settings area. If you see an option to open Advanced Setup, click that so you're in the full admin view. Next, go to Process Automation and select Flows. Flows are Salesforce's point-and-click automations. They can find, create, update, and delete records, make decisions, loop through data, and more, without code. Click New Flow. Choose Auto-Launched Automations. These run in the background without a screen, and you can invoke them from buttons, other automations, or manually, perfect when you just need data work done. Select Auto-Launched Flow, No Trigger. This gives you a blank canvas with no start event, so you decide when and how it runs. In the builder, click the plus icon to add your first element. Choose Get Records. Get Records queries Salesforce and returns one or many records into a variable you can use downstream. Label this step something like Update Account Records so it's clear what it supports. Set the object to Contact. Add a filter condition and choose the Account ID field. Use the blank value option to check whether Account ID is empty or not. This lets you target only the contacts you care about, for example those without an account, by deciding whether the field should be blank or not blank. Add another element using the plus icon and select Loop. A loop processes each record in a collection one at a time. Name it as you like. In this example, it's Loop Through Leads, but we're looping through contacts we just retrieved. For the collection variable, choose the set of contacts from your Get Record step. If you need to name it, use something like Call Contacts. If prompted to create a supporting variable, click New Resource, choose Variable, give it a clear API name such as Loop Contacts, and set the data type to record for the contact object. If an additional type prompt appears for a helper value, select Text. Click Done. Now add an assignment element. Assignments let you set field values, build lists, and prepare data for updates, all within the flow. Here, select the contact variable from the Get Record step as the thing you're assigning to, and set its value using the corresponding contact from the loop. This establishes the mapping you'll use when you update multiple records. Click Save. Enter a descriptive flow label. The API name will populate automatically. When you're ready, click Save and Activate so the flow is available to run. That's it. Your auto-launched flow is set up to work through multiple records cleanly and consistently. If this was helpful, subscribe for more.